here's a reframe that could radically change how you view your work in your life and business. And it's a reframe that I've learned after 500 plus hours of coaching 6, 7, and 8 figure a year business owners. And it is this: procrastination can often look like hours, weeks, months, and even years of hard work, hustle, and grind. Because you can procrastinate over doing the right work, the emotional work, focusing on the right projects by working very hard in other areas of your life and business. And this is why a lot of founders and a lot of leaders, a lot of entrepreneurs burn out, because they don't deal with the underlying emotional issues. And they will then work really, really, really hard on lower tier activities, busy work, process work in their business. And then they'll get really, really, really frustrated and burn out because they're not getting the results that they feel like their hard work deserves. And I can let you know, as somebody who's ran a business for 4 years, somebody who has had 6-figure corporate jobs as a project manager, as a project lead, I know exactly how that feels. These long days, these long weeks, these long months of working really, 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 really hard, but you know you're avoiding something. And then you pivot and you take action after action like a cat on a hot tin roof, like avoiding the real work, like, ow, 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 ow. I've got to avoid this by working harder on something else. And then eventually you break down, you burn out, and you realize that, oh, I was actually avoiding a deeper emotional issue. Oh, I was avoiding this larger project because I knew I was going to have to learn new skills, and I was worried about that emotionally. Because procrastination, the definition of it is emotional avoidance. You're emotionally avoiding something by procrastinating. But the reframe that I want to give you here, the extra reframe, the extra deeper reframe, is a lot of people online don't actually understand that as procrastination. They will tell you that you're procrastinating by watching Netflix. They will tell you you're procrastinating by doom scrolling. They'll tell you you're procrastinating by watching the news, by watching sport, by going out drinking. And then they'll tell you just to do the damn work, just show up, just take action. Discipline equals freedom. They'll yell at you. And it's silly, because there are lots and lots and lots of founders and leaders and entrepreneurs out there who are taking way more action than they need to. They're working really, 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 really hard, but they're procrastinating over facing some deeper emotional inner issues, some mental issues, some old wiring, some patterns that they've got themselves stuck into that they can't let go of. And that's what they're procrastinating over. They're not afraid of hard work. They're not afraid of 12-hour days, but they're a little bit afraid of looking inwards. And that's the reframe for you. So the next time you hear somebody banging on about procrastination and telling you that it's about watching Netflix or doom scrolling, it's not. It can quite often manifest itself in a lot of hard work. Long days, hustle and grind is a form of procrastination. That's it. It's a hard learned lesson that I've learned. It's a hard learned lesson that I have dealt with a lot of clients, and it's actually one of the first reframes I bring up when I start coaching people, because I need people to understand that procrastination can look a lot like hard work.